Our next Story-gami by Michael LaFosse will teach you how to make this wonderful origami sailboat. This is one of the episodes of the amazing adventures of Lefty and Righty. They climb a snow-covered mountain and escape from an avalanche. To fold this origami sailboat, use a piece of origami paper that's square and white on the back. In this episode of the amazing adventures of Lefty and Righty, I will tell you how our two good friends met last winter. They both belonged to the mountain club that organized outdoor adventures such as climbing, hiking, snowboarding, and even sailboat racing. Lefty and Righty lived on opposite sides of this snow-covered mountain. Let's have Lefty climb to the top. Now we see Righty hiking up to the top, and this is where they first met and introduced themselves to one another. As they sat down for lunch, the mountain began to shake. "Let's get out of here!" They each jumped on their snowboards, and Lefty swooshed down the left side, and Righty swooshed down the right side of the mountain. It was a good thing that they left when they did. They looked up to see the top of the mountain split open, and boiling mud flowed down to the base of the mountain, melting the snow in its path. The next day, after the mud had cooled off, Lefty and Righty decided to see what the mountaintop looked like. Lefty went up to the top, hiking along the slippery mud, and then Righty returned to the top of the mountain, hiking up the slippery mud on that side. When they got to the top, they saw mud all over their clothes and boots, so they searched for a place to get clean. Over on the other side of the mountain was White Diamond Lake, sparkling and clean. They took a dip, jumping into the crystal clear waters of White Diamond Lake, and as they swam across, that colorful mud rinsed right off and settled on the bottom of White Diamond Lake. As they began to swim back across White Diamond Lake, they only got halfway when a friend from the club sailed his boat up beside them and offered them a ride. Since the waters were cold, they immediately accepted and enjoyed a pleasant sailboat ride. Other club members were there, and they all enjoyed a party with snacks and sailboat races. Stand your boats on a smooth tabletop and gently blow wind across the sails and have a sailboat race. Don't blow too hard, or you might capsize and lose the race.